loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisa Odeichukwu for those of you who do not know me. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a passion twist, a juicy passion twist. If you're looking for a protective hairstyle that's easy to do at home, passion twist might just be what you need. So let's get started. For this style, I'll be using some rubber bands, banana clips, scissors. I would also need a braiding gel. You could use any braiding gel of your choice, an edge booster, and some combs. I would also be using the Freetress Water Wave in length 22 inches, color 1B, and I used about 5 packs. Starting out on a neatly washed hair, I'm going to be sectioning out my hair into two major parts. So I'll have the front section and the back section. So the front section is usually smaller than the back section, and that is how I love to do my braids or any type of braids at all. And I will be starting with the back section. So once I'm done sectioning out the front part of my hair, I'm going to pack it up with a scrunchie and put that side away. I also like to divide my hair into smaller sections and tie up each sections with a rubber band. This will make the hair easier to work with and also a lot faster, I guess. So there are different methods to do this passion twist, but I'm going to be using the rubber band method. And this involves rubber that is already drenched in oil. When drenching rubber bands in oil, it's important to use the right amount of oil. Too much oil can cause the rubber band to slip and slide, while too little oil may not prevent enough lubrication. A good rule of thumb is to use enough oil to cover the rubber bands completely, but not so much that it drips or pulls. So once I'm done sectioning out my hair, I'm going to be showing you two different methods that I use to achieve this passion twist. So the first one is going to be without a crochet needle, and the second one is going to be with a crochet needle. So the first thing you want to do is you apply your braiding gel to your hair to smoothen out the hair and to, just make the hair nice and neat. Then for this hairstyle, I'm going to be using just 2 strands of passion twist. I'll twist it together against each other and then attach it to my hair and start braiding. So I'd love to braid my hair first in order to secure the hair from the root, and once I get to a desired point, I start to twist. Here I'm just checking the hair to see if it's too tight or if it's okay, and if I'm okay with it, I'll keep on twisting. If not, I would loosen the hair and start all over again. And also while twisting, you can apply your braiding gel as well, and that would help to, smoothen the hair and just gather all the hair together. So I'm going to be showing you the without a crochet needle again. So if you noticed, I'm using the same exact strand. Like you want to use a strand, like 2 strands of passion twist that is going in the same direction. Using a passion twist that is the same exact strand would help you achieve a juicier look. So once I'm done braiding my hair, I'll split that into 2 and then I'll start twisting. So when you're twisting, also you want to make sure that you're going in the same direction of the twist. Using the crochet needle, you'd insert your crochet needle through your hair. As you have your 2 passion twist strands, you put it through your crochet needle and pull it out. For this method, I'd still braid it from the beginning, like braid my hair from the root, because braid your hair from the root, it kind of makes it loose. Once I'm done braiding, I would start twisting. I'm twisting anti-clockwise, and that's because that's the direction of my passion twist. The 2 strands of passion twist I had, that's the direction it goes. So when you look at both twists, you can see that the other one is a lot more stretched out and the one in front is a lot more juicy. So that's how to achieve a juicy passion twist. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave me a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.